Brothers and sisters, rejoice
Saint
in the
Paul
Lord
to Philippians.
always. I shall say it again, rejoice. Your kindness should be known to all. The Lord is near. Have no anxiety at all, but in everything, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, make your requests known to God. Then the peace of God, that surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
The Lord be with you.
In all spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Luke. The crowd asked John the Baptist, "What should we do?" He said to them in reply, "Whoever has good clothes should share the person who has none, and whoever has food should do likewise." Even tax collectors came to be baptized, and they said to him, "Teacher, what should we do?" He answered them, "Stop collecting more than what is prescribed." Soldiers also asked him, "And what is it that we should do?" He told them, "Do not practice extortion. Do not falsely accuse anyone, and be satisfied with your wages." Now the people were filled with expectation, and all were asking in their hearts whether John might give the prize. John answered them all, saying, "I am